Welcome to Doing Our Bit, and today we're going to look at bird protection for solar panels. If you've seen my video Solar and Battery, Is It Worth It?, you will have heard me say this in the top tips. Make sure when you have the install of your solar panels that you also have installed barriers to stop birds nesting underneath those panels. If, like me, you haven't got bird protection on your solar panels, just how do you go about sorting this? Originally I approached the company that actually installed our solar panels and they weren't interested, and I tried other solar panel companies similarly and equally had little response. I even had somebody that actually tried to sell me a new roof with insert solar panels at a cost of 10 grand. Thankfully I went along to the Fully Charged show at Farnborough, and a lady there on one of the expert one-to-one panels recommended that I actually went to a bird protection company. The reason is that bird protection companies actually have a license to remove the birds if necessary, and also really understand the problem. And in addition, they will do it without scaffolding, which of course obviously saves cost. There's no right time of year to do this, as they breed 6 times a year. And to be honest, whether you are aware of a problem or not, I really seriously recommend that you add this to your to-do list. The reason is just how bad this problem can become. Apart from the risk to your actual solar panels, there's also bird mites that can get into the roof and ceiling cavities. And the noise and the mess you just wouldn't believe, particularly if, like us, you had 14 birds in residence. The bird protection they install matters too. The company I went with installed thick galvanized wire, and they provide a 10-year warranty for their work too. The service was excellent, and I was particularly impressed because, unlike some companies I approached, they were not put off by the fact that my solar panels cover 90% of our roof space. And also we have a conservatory on the back that covers more than half of the back. Here's the work being done. Hope you found this short video useful, and if so, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.